Why are you still buying cloves when you can grow unlimited at home for free? This tiny spice you're paying for every month can grow right in your kitchen forever. What if I told you every clove you buy could become a full plant at home?
Start with just a few cloves and soft, rich soil. That's all you need. Keep the soil lightly moist, never overwater it.
Cloves love warm sunlight, and place them where light hits daily. In just days, nature starts waking up under the soil.
Look closely. Life is starting to grow from a simple spice.
Patience is the secret clove. Cloves don't rush, but they never fail. Within weeks, you'll see strong green shoots rising. This is the moment you realize you don't need to buy cloves again. One gives you temporary spice, the other gives you forever supply. Add natural compost, it boosts growth instantly.
Every day, your plant becomes stronger and greener.
Sunlight is its energy. Never keep it in darkness.
You can grow cloves even in small pots inside your home.
Strong roots mean strong spice production later. Soon, your plant prepares to give you real cloves.
These tomatoes are looking so healthy. This is how simple food freedom begins at home. So satisfying to grow your own food.
From one clove to a full plant system. Imagine harvesting your own cloves anytime you want. Fresh, chemical-free, and fully organic from your own home. Just add it in for that perfect, fresh flavor.
Okay, let's make our special blend.
I'll add the pepper.
Can I do the oregano?
Perfect. Now we stir it all together.
That smells amazing.
Yay!
You stop spending money and start growing value. This is not just gardening, it's self-sufficiency from a single clove.